मंगळारा पिळण उद्योगीक वसणुकेत बर्जर पेंट फॅक्टरी प्लांटाक उजो लागलो। घडणूक थळार अग्निशामक दळांच्या जवानांनी उजो पालोवपाक युद्ध पातळीर काम केलें। तशेंच शेजारच्या फायर स्टेशना वेल्यान आनीकय फायर ब्रिगेड मागयल्ल्यो। पिळण, फोंडे, पर्वरे, कुणय, कुडचडे, मडगांव फायर स्टेशना वेल्यान उदकाचे बॉम्ब उजो पालोवपाक मागयल्ले। उज्यान बरोच नेट धरिल्लो। पयसुल्ल्यान उज्याच्या धुवरांचे लोट दिसताले। हातूंत जिवीत हानी जाल्ली ना म्हण आमदार रेजिनाल्डान सांगला। RDXGOA खातीर पिळणच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Under control. All sites fire brigades have been kept. In case the fire goes out, everything is standby. We have got more than 12 fire brigades on the job. We have got more than 30-40 tankers coming in and going out with water. Plus, IDC is also giving water. Chief Minister, including the police, fire brigade is all on the job. Now we are getting Navy tankers. The Deputy Collector has come. So she is personally taken the initiative to get the Navy tankers, Navy fire brigade. So the Navy fire brigade is coming. So we have no issues. Now only the chemical is the issue.
But the chemical खातीर control घेवपाक मेळना.
Yeah. So there is nothing that we can do. We have to only wait and for it to take exhaust by burning a little. Right now all combustible material according to the management has been burned. Nothing else. But we are not taking the risk. We are preparing ourselves in case the tank blasts. This is not going. Nothing is going to happen. But we are keeping backup. There is nothing to worry right now. Everybody is on the job. According to me, nothing will happen. The fabricant says nothing is going to happen. But we are politicians. We are taking extra effort.
म्हणजे साडीच्या कंपनी आणि गांव बिना
एवरीबडी गांव सगळ्यांना फायब्रिक उदो मारले सगळे भाटाक बसून उदो मान उदो काउंट केला
सगळं अंडर कंट्रोल आसा तसं
राइट नाउ
आणि कितलो टाइम वयतलो असो दिसता हे
I don't know. Technically, they say it will take 6-7 hours. Started at 4 o'clock.
ओके
By 10 o'clock, by 9:30, 10 should be over. बरोबर पण कोणाची मदत घेवपाची any help is any help is something which is we have to take. We're not going to hesitate.
टिल टाइम तशें कांय ना.
No.
कितले फायर ब्रिगेड आयिल्ले
I think exact count now more than 25 according to me.
ओके
And more than 30 tankers of water have come.